Hello everyone. Recently I learned fisherman's rib pattern, so I thought of trying a cowl with this ribbing. It is a very nice ribbing effect, and you can make any project out of it. For beginning, I cast on 160 stitches. You have to take multiple of 5 and 4 needle. So let's begin the pattern. First row is purl 1, knit 2 times, purl 1 and knit 1. So this is the pattern for row 1 of this fisherman's rib. See again, purl 1, knit 2 times, purl 1, knit 1. So I'll continue my row 1. Okay, so I'm done with row 1. Now beginning row 2. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, and now we'll knit through back loop. This is the first front loop, this would be the back loop. We'll knit through back loop. Again, purl 1, knit 2 times, purl 1, and now we'll knit through back loop. Front loop, but we'll knit through back loop. So this is the pattern for the second row. So now we begin row 3. Purl 4 times and knit 1. This is the pattern for row 3. Purl 4 times, knit 1. Now beginning our fourth row. Purl 4 times again, but now this time we'll knit through the back loop. 3, 4, and we'll knit through back loop. This is the front loop, we'll knit through back loop. Purl 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll knit through back loop. So we continue knitting fisherman's rib pattern. It gives a nice ribbing effect to whatever project you make. If you like this pattern and if you like my video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, Nishu Space, share my video, please comment, and thanks for watching.